In the name of God, who is most precious and merciful, I am very happy to see you here on my channel. Hi guys, I am from Defenders Tech Team. How are you? It's time to learn something. In this video I will show you some shortcuts that every computer user must know for fast working on computer. So let's begin. Number 1. When you are working, you may want to open multiple files and applications. So you need more than one desktop. Don't worry. Just press Ctrl plus Window plus D keys on your keyboard, and your new desktop is here. Number 2. Are you worried? You may have lost your work. You want to move back to your previous work. Don't worry. Just press Window plus Ctrl plus arrow keys, left and right. Now you can move between these desktops. Number 3. If you want to close the virtual desktops, use this shortcut. Press Window key plus Ctrl plus F4 keys, so you can close them easily. Number 4. Are you using mouse to open applications on taskbar? Now you will be able to open them by using keyboard. Are you ready? Just press Window plus 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. respectively from left to right according to your applications on taskbar. Number 5. When you have opened multiple files and you want to minimize them, you can minimize one by one using mouse. It will take lots of time and you may get tired like me. You can minimize all the applications instantly by using this shortcut, Window plus M keys. You can minimize just your current application as long as you will hold the Window key plus comma. Number 6. You have opened multiple applications, files and games, etc. and you want to switch between them. Just press Alternate plus Tab key, or Window plus Alternate plus Tab. And for Mac users, Window plus Tab key. Number 7. You want to work on one desktop, and also want to split your program's screen into two. You have to just press Window plus right and left arrow keys, so your screen will be splitted into two, like this. Number 8. You are working with a lot of programs, and one of them is not responding or stuck. Instantly you want to terminate it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, and Task Manager will open. Select the program and terminate it without restarting your computer. Number 10. If you want to use magnifier or zoom specific area on your screen, just press Window and plus or minus keys. And for Mac users, press Alternate plus Command and plus or minus keys on your keyboard. And where the pointer will be pointed, you can zoom on that specific area on your screen. Number 11. You can set up Bluetooth, connect with devices, turn Wi-Fi, hotspot and notifications on and off. Many other functions are available in one place called Action Center. To open it, just press Windows key plus A. Now you can perform different action from here and control them. Number 12. If you want to access settings of your computer, or want to access more advanced parameters of your PC, press Windows key plus A. You can access all of them now. Number 13. If you suddenly need to step away from the computer, but you don't want anyone meddling in your stuff, you can quickly lock your user profile. Simply push the Windows key plus L or Shift plus Command plus Q on a Mac. I will meet you in the next video with something more informative. I will be very happy if you do just a favor for me. If you like my videos, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also press bell icon, and also hit like and share to your 3 best friends. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have subscribed and liked and shared my video, thank you so much guys. Keep supporting me.